Healthy version naman tayo for today's video. I'm making vegetables soup. So what we have is we have sweet, carrots, squash, corn, peas, string beans, cabbage, what else? Pepper. Masarap. Saka mayroon pa siyang buo-buo. Potato. Mayroon potato. Saka ilalagay natin siya. We're gonna put it in the sealed jar. Meron pa, oh. It's okay lang yan. Pakuluan natin. Ito yung, this is my version, and my husband requested it for today. Okay, kuluan hanggang maluto ang, kasi yung iba dito hilaw pa siya nung inano ko, binlend, so kailangan niyang maluto. So yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy.